Today, we are installing, finally, my MCS two-way remotes. Big shout out to MCS for sponsoring this upgrade, along with WRTeknica for doing the install. I have the Bilstein PSS10s on here. Pretty nice suspension, but I can't wait to get these major upgrades in. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see what's going on inside. Now here we have the MCS two-way remote. Some of you guys remember from my green car that was in the accident, I removed these from my 92 Carrera 2 and sent this to MCS to get these upgraded to the two-way remote. You guys can see the remotes here, and of course the inner components of these have all been upgraded. These also have the quick release, which is nice. And then we also have the sponsored Renline top hats right here. And obviously these are going to help with camber adjustments. And then we have the rear Renline hats right here. Really love the quality of these. Nice fitment. Alright, so today we got Justin working on the car, and he just took out the front wheels, and check this out. Damn, already down to the cords after 1 year. Damn, these are fronts too. Oh, I'm gonna go look at the back real quick. So let's see how the back's looking. The backs are, looks like I got a tiny bit of life on them. Justin took out my airbox and was like, custom mod. But this is how this came from my previous owner. Interesting. See how dirty this is. The Bilsteins are out. We're actually gonna do a test on the scale to see what they weigh, and I can already tell they are gonna be light up for sure. All right, go. The PSS10s are coming in at 14? 14 pounds. For the fronts.
Oh, this is a rear.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry, fronts, rears. 9 pounds.
9
yeah,
pounds.
That's a lot. All right, we weigh the front now. The front Bilstein PSS10s are in at 16 pounds.
Oh yes, later.
10 and a half. 11 maybe. 12. Okay, so 4 pounds. Oh, that one has a remote. We didn't weigh the remotes last time. Alright, so the MCS fronts 13. What was it before?
14.
Okay.
It went up to 14.
14. And then what were these?
16.
Okay. So without the canisters, we're at 13 pounds, and then the front Bilsteins were 16. So 3 pounds. So Justin's done all you can today. So it's gonna be end of day one, but everything, all the suspension's in. We gotta add the remotes tomorrow. I had some work that needs to be done on my brakes, but other than that, everything went really well. I need to come back here tomorrow with my tires and pads. So I'll see you guys then. All right, guys, good morning. It is day 2 of the install, and just got here and Justin's already drilled in the remote. Right, so as of now, we have the reservoirs coming in through these little pockets right here, which is nice. All right, and so Justin's already drilled in and the remotes are in. Cup 2s are going on. My buddy gave these to me. I really like the tires. I really like the tires that I was running prior to this, which are pretty much all toast now, but we'll see how these are. All right. All right, so for the last 2 hours, I actually had to go and get some parts, and luckily for me, my buddy Efren, who is a dismantler, had spare parts for me, and I was able to pick up some front rotors and some pads that I needed because the ones on my car were toast. And I didn't really want to get anything new because I have 993 turbo brakes I want to either put on or go with Brembos later. So for now, thank you, Efren. So if you guys are not following Efren, follow Efren Porsche on Instagram. If you guys need 964 parts, hit him up, or not even just any part really. All right, let's get back to it. Ooh, look how low the back is. Looks good, nice and tucked.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it like that.
It's only like 7 mil lower.
It's only 7 mils lower than what it was before?
Yeah.
Oh, that's perfect. We did a rough alignment, right?
Yeah.
So we're doing a rough alignment. They're gonna do a drive and test it out over the next, I don't know, maybe even a month, to be honest, and see where everything feels like it needs to be adjusted. And my previous tires got wrecked on because I didn't have any adjustments for my PSS10s. We didn't have any camber adjustments on those, and those tires got wrecked. So hopefully these tires last a little bit longer. I only had the other tires for 12 months. But that's it for now, and I'm going on vacation, so I'm not gonna see you guys for a minute, but when I get back, it's on. So let's go. What up, everybody? So today I'm super excited because I am back at WRTeknica to pick up my car. I got Will right here. What's up, Will?
What's up, guys? What's up, bro?
Will's been busy racing, doing all the things, and so we had to jump in here real quick. I'm gonna pick up the car. We'll do a recap next week, but I want to get Will's interview about some of the quick or some of the things that he's noticed right off the bat. So maybe you can tell us what you felt.
Yeah, so we went with the MCS on here. Car just feels so much more smoother. Very compliant over the bumps. The car handles so good right now. Like you'll feel every time you go into the corner, you steer, everything's so responsive right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we still gotta let the suspension break in a little bit.
Yeah.
And you should go for a drive. I mean, even at this point, you'll feel the difference, and then when
Right.
you come back,
Okay.
we'll do a final adjustment.
Yeah, awesome. I'm just gonna go for a drive, and then like I said, next week we'll come back and meet up with Will, and we'll go over and do a test drive and go over it then.
Yeah.
All right, thanks, Will.
Hell yeah.
Heck yeah. Woo!